I spoke to Mr. Musharraf earlier this morning, that is before he departed for the trial court, and he was getting ready and giving last minute guidelines to the various press queries that will come as an outcome of his appearance in the court. So, and he certainly sounded fine on the phone.
And what have you heard since about his health?
So I have spoken to his appropriate staff that has been around him, and I think when somewhere when they were taking him to the trial court, he felt some level of chest congestion, heaviness. I think there were some palpitations, and other signs. I think that would point towards a cardiac event. So his appropriate staff officers thought that to be appropriate to divert and take him to the military hospital, which has an adjoining Armed Forces Institute of Cardiology, where I understand where he is right now. He is admitted. He is conscious, his vitals are stable, and he is oriented in time and space. And the military doctors are running tests, and they are examining him. They have not given out any diagnosis for which that we can make a disclosure about.
So I have to ask you, will he stay in Pakistan or will he be seeking treatment overseas? Which is the concern now?
I think this is a little too early to ask this question. The Pakistani hospitals, especially military hospitals, are well equipped. I think after this evaluation is done, and if his doctors feel that they need to make such a recommendation, we will hear about it. But that is clearly dependent, I think, on the advice of those military doctors that are attending to him. So it would be unfair for us to make speculations this early.
So what do you say to those critics in Pakistan who allege that he has invented this illness in order to avoid appearing in court?
Well, I have known General Musharraf for nearly a decade. I am a physician by profession myself. I act as a spokesman for past 5 years or so. General Musharraf is a 70-year-old healthy man, but with age, there are, within reason, issues that are there. And General Musharraf is known to be on medication for his cardiovascular system. So to all those critics, I think he is certainly a strong general that has served his military with pride, but he's certainly not invincible.